In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a subdomain to your WordPress website on Cpanel. As you can see, I'm on my Cpanel dashboard right now. What you want to do to add a domain is you want to go down to you see domains over here, and then you want to hit subdomain. So open up this, and here you can create a subdomain. So you just want to enter in your subdomain. So let's do test sub. And then you want to find the domain you want to use. So for me, it's shareline.me. That's the domain, but you can choose all of these. It depends on your host. I select my own. Then you can hit create, and then it will add here. As you can see, here it is. And now when you type it in over here, as you can see, it works, but this is not what you want, right? So if you want to add files to the domain, or you want to run WordPress on it, you have to go back to Cpanel and then go to the dashboard, go to online file manager, and as you can see here, you can find testsub.shareline.me. This is your subdomain. Go to the htdocs, and here you can upload all the files, and it will come up here. So let's upload a file right now. And as you can see, now it's uploaded on the subdomain. So that's basically how you can upload it. Just put the file in here, and then you can enable it like this. So if this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.